Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your Linktree link clickable in TikTok. If you open up TikTok and you go to your profile, you'll see here I have an example of a Linktree link, and you can see that it is not clickable. The reason this is because in 2022 they changed the rules so that the only way that you can have a clickable link is if you have 1,000 subscribers or if you have the business account. Now, in order to apply for the business account, what you can do is you can go to settings. We'll just go ahead and click there. And then if we scroll down, you'll see here the option for a business account. If we click that, then it will open up this screen and it will allow you to go through the process in order to become a business. Again, keep in mind that you do need 1,000 subscribers in order to qualify. It's possible that you can qualify without having 1,000 subscribers, but at the very least that is one of the caveats, is that you do need at least 1,000 subscribers on your TikTok page in order to be able to get a clickable link. They did that just to minimize the amount of spam and scams and things of that sort. So unfortunately, that is now the case. So unless you have a business account, you cannot get a clickable link. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.